2017 AP MIcro FRQ number 3, obviously Oligopoly. Again, read number 3, it is just a payoff matrix. We are always going to do the same thing like a child. We're going to underline all of roadways numbers so we don't get them confused with Rankin's. And then we're going to square in all of Rankin's numbers. All right. There we go. It said in which market structure do these firms operate. We know as soon as we see a payoff matrix, we're talking about an oligopoly. And we know the reason we know it is because these firms are interdependent. Their best strategy is based on what the other firm does. So again, usually we're just going to make a word chart here. We're going to say that if roadway goes early, Rankin Wheels will do something. And if roadway goes late, Rankin Wheels will do something else. If Rankin Wheels goes early, roadway will do something. And if Rankin Wheels goes late, roadway will do something else. So once we set up our chart, we go back and we look and we say, okay, if roadway goes early, we're in these two quadrants. Rankin has two choices. He can go early, he can go late. Obviously, Rankin's going to choose the higher payoff. So we would say that Rankin Wheels would go early because 900 is greater than 850. All right. What if roadway went late? Now we're in the bottom quadrant here. If roadway goes late, Rankin has two choices again, either to go early or to go late. We can see that Rankin Wheels will go late because 800 is greater than 650. Let's get rid of some of this so it's easier to see. All right. Now, instead of roadway, let's say Rankin makes the choice here to go early. Now we're in these two quadrants. If Rankin goes early, roadway can either go early or late. Obviously, early for roadway because 1,000 is greater than 750. If Rankin Wheels chooses to go late, roadway still has two choices. He can go early, he can go late. He's going to choose early, obviously. Now look at that. Roadway will choose to go early no matter what. Anytime you have a situation where one firm will always choose the same thing, that is what we call a dominant strategy. Roadway will always go early. So now that we know that, let's go back and answer some of these questions. If roadway chooses an early departure, which departure time is best for Rankin Wheels? So if roadway chooses early, Rankin Wheels we know will go early. They're not asking us to explain it here, so all we have to do is write early and then run away from it. Identify the dominant strategy for roadway. Roadway will go early. Again, no explanation needed. Is choosing an early departure a dominant strategy for Rankin Wheels? We would answer it, this first part, by just saying no. And then we would want to explain. See, they gave us a little help here. When they say is choosing an early departure, all we have to do is give the opposite of when Rankin Wheels chooses late, which is this. So we would say when roadway goes late, Rankin Wheels will go late. And that's it. You've explained why he does not have a dominant strategy to go early because you showed him going late. We could put the numbers there if it made us happy. Let's make us happy. Let's make our reader happy so they know we know what we're doing. All right, if both firms know all the information in the payoff matrix but do not cooperate, what will be Rankin Wheels' daily profit? Well, luckily we know somebody who's always going to do the same thing no matter what. Rankin will go early. In that choice, roadway will always choose early. So they're going to end up in that top left quadrant. And they're asking what will Rankin Wheels' daily profit be? It will be $900. I hope we can see that. All right, guys. Take care. Be safe.